Hello, this is Dials by Fola Salon. We're doing a lace closure sewing. Look, we are the master of lace closure sewing. Yes, I mean it. So our method, which is the elastic band method, is safe for your edges, will not cause any damage or breakage to your natural hair or your hairline. No negative side effects. Our experienced stylists are highly skilled in using the elastic band method for installation that makes you look amazing. Like this lovely customer of ours, she has amazing hairline using the elastic band method. It's firm, it's solid, and it lasts longer. And of course, you can do maintenance in between, and hair can last you. The sewing can last you about 2 to 3 months, and you just come in between to do maintenance in terms of the elastic band method to kind of tighten the elastic. And you know what, and the sewing is very, very natural. Like what I'm doing for her, we're leaving some hair out on her hairline because she has this nice coily fantastic looking human hair. This hair looks so real, it's beautiful. So yeah, we're sewing it down. And again, before I forgot to mention that we do this training of the elastic band method. We're doing this for years, so we are masters in it. You need to add this to your and introduce to your customer, because I know a lot of people are suffering from hair loss now, shall around their edges. Look at that install. Amazing. It's beautiful. Look at how that install looks. If I did not fix this hair and I see her on the street, I would think it's a real hair. I will be the same. This is what an install is sewing with should look like. Natural, realistic. And of course, can you achieve this with your own natural hair and have a leave out as well? It's the sewing, the placements. You are supposed to wake up and look like this, not worrying about your edges, about doing baby hair, about doing edges. Seriously, I'm just over that. So girls, booking for the best installation of your life.